Were people just walking into rivers?
Hold on, I want to get COVID.
You could see the particles come out of your mouth.
That's the funniest part of the week for me.
I'm the biggest sneezer.
You're the best.
No one sneezes more particles than me.
And like project politicians out.
Oh my god.
Jesus fucking Christ, bless you.
Oh god. I never sneeze. I'm
God bless you.
Put on a mask. I don't feel
Yeah,
sick.
come on now.
You sneezed yesterday on Friday Night Tights. Yeah, you do. You gotta disinfect that now.
Disinfect it from myself.
You got some on the webcam.
What?
Yeah.
Really?
It's dangling from your microphone. There's a little.
No, it wasn't
Yeah.
that kind of sneeze. It wasn't
It's like a
the droplets.
Gee.
In everything. He just spit in everything I'm drinking, and I'm gonna drink it. You just spit in everything.
That was way more than the last one,
You
right?
spit that time.
What did we just watch?
I'm having some kind of a sinus breakdown.
Was that a yawn or wherever the whole audience was waiting for a sneeze and then you yawned?
It was both. It was like a sneeze that got killed by a yawn. All my instincts in my face are going
I've never
sideways.
seen anything like that before.
What is this?
Yeah.
And you're like, who is writing your shit?
Because everything has become, you know,
Bless you. Are you high or something?
What's
The
that?
fuck? Okay, nothing.
Are you talking to me or Aaron? Him? You're
If
talking
I'm
to him?
sneezing, there's just talking to Aaron.
Yeah, that's Aaron.